He's a grandson of our Jalan Kamatul Muslim. He's also a graduate batch alumni and he's very actively involved in the PKM administration board as well. So a very warm welcome to you and to this function. And last but not the least, definitely, I welcome Dr. Sudhi. He's our novel alumni coordinator. Lastly, I also want to make a special mention of Mr. Irfan Malik, who has run along to support the committee, and a special welcome to you.
Thank you.